Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen and I'm back here at Mama's Kitchen sharing easy, delicious recipes with y'all. Today we're gonna do a chicken Florentine, which sounds fancy. When you tell your family you're making chicken Florentine for dinner, ooh, the love you're gonna get from your family for making chicken Florentine. Surprise, it's canned soup and just a couple of other things. Really easy, y'all. Don't be intimidated by this recipe at all. Now what we're gonna start with is we've taken 3 chicken breasts, and a good way to do chicken, y'all, when you're cooking this stuff, if you want to, you can buy a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, which is the absolute easiest way for you to get really good chicken. But if you get your chicken breast, season your water with salt and some pepper, and I cannot do it without throwing in an onion, some carrots, a little bit of celery. Boil your chicken down, and then use 2 forks and you shred it. That's a really good idea. What we've done here today is that Mama had an extra fryer here at the house, so I've pulled this fresh off the bone, and we've got 1 box of spinach that's gonna go with this. You gotta thaw this out, microwave it, and before you combine these 2 things, you're gonna wanna give this a squeeze. Frozen spinach has got a tremendous amount of water in it, and you don't want this in your recipe, so after you thaw this, give it a really good squeeze. So that's how we're gonna start today, with the exciting news of me squeezing spinach. And when you get back, we'll be done and my hands will be clean. Okay, y'all, this is our sauce for our chicken Florentine. We're using 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. We've got some lemon juice. We've got shredded cheddar. We're gonna add our mayonnaise. We've got sour cream. And this is our curry powder. We've got some white wine going in. And we're just gonna salt and pepper this to taste. So I'm gonna give it a good pinch because I know that spinach is gonna need it. But our chicken is really good and seasoned, and that's a good trick, to take the time to season your chicken. So I love to season as I cook. So every element gets their own little dash of this or that. The chicken comes in delicious, ready to eat. So you don't have to worry about seasoning the chicken. And then, so that just gives you a head start on building your flavor, whatever it might be. So our sauce here, you see, is pretty liquidy. Once we get this worked in together, we're gonna pour this over our spinach and chicken. Now, if you click on the link below, y'all know that you'll find all the measurements for our recipe. And I've actually taken this recipe and I've cut it in half. This is a big recipe, but I believe half of it is right perfect for a family of 4. We get all this incorporated good together. A classic chicken Florentine has got the cheese, the chicken, the spinach, a little bit of wine. The lemon juice is gonna give it some acidity. It's really good. My mouth is watering this morning. I have a feeling I might be having chicken Florentine for lunch. So I've got our little casserole dish here, sprayed with non-stick because we don't want any of this to stick. My mama just walked in, so I gotta make sure and scrape all these edges. The profits are in the corners.
That's right.
And then I'm gonna pat all this down. And our last little step that we've got here. That's good. We've got some breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. Oh, I love it. Yeah. Put it in here. I'm gonna combine these 2 together. And then we're gonna top our Florentine with our chicken and breadcrumbs. This is gonna give it some nice texture, a little crunch right on top, and the Parmesan's gonna add a little salty bite to it that I really love. And you see, it's that easy, y'all. You made chicken Florentine for your family. How simple. It's gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for maybe 25 or 30 minutes, just enough to set up. Everything in here is already prepared, so you don't have to worry about undercooked chicken or anything like that. Get it right into the oven and we'll get to eat. Y'all stick around. Hey, y'all, my chicken Florentine's out of the oven. You know, I told you that your family will be so impressed when you make a chicken Florentine. Look at the family I drug out of the
I'm so
back
excited.
room today.
I'm ready.
Chicken Florentine, brother.
Let's try it.
Let's show it to him first.
Okay. Still kind of hot. It just came out of the oven. Let's see if I still got my kitchen hands. The only thing I did not tell y'all, the first part of this recipe was I had some butter, and you're gonna want to pat a little bit of butter on top of this. So just little bitty pats of butter on top of your Parmesan, and
Could you explain what a little bitty pat of butter is?
not to you, I cook.
That's like a stick?
Yeah, for you it is. That's gonna be hot.
Thank you.
So the panko and our Parmesan cheese on top, that little bit of butter, you see how pretty that's browned up?
Uh-huh.
Now this might be a little hot.
It looks a little warm.
Listen, if you're smart when you cook, you'll invite people into your kitchen that will eat anything that you make and love it. Gruber's a good person to cook for.
This is good.
I've never seen him not one time spit out any food.
I'm not making this up. It's good.
This is really good. Easy to put together and kind of outside of your daily box of food that you might do. Chicken Florentine, y'all. Appreciate you tuning in today. I'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Bye, y'all.
Say bye, peeps.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.